In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Steam download cache. If Steam downloads are stuck, running unusually slowly, or updates are not behaving the way they should, clearing the download cache can often help fix the issue. This process removes temporary download data that may have become corrupted over time. It does not uninstall your games, but it will sign you out of Steam, so be ready to log back in once the app restarts. To begin, open Steam and look to the top left corner of the window. Click Steam, then choose Settings. This will open the main settings panel where you can manage different parts of the app. Once you're in Settings, look at the menu on the left-hand side and select Downloads. This section contains the options related to game downloads, update behavior, and download storage settings. If you're troubleshooting download issues, this is the area you'll usually want to check first. Now, in the Download section, find the option labeled Clear Download Cache and click it. When you do this, Steam will prepare to remove the temporary files associated with previous or incomplete downloads. This can be especially useful if a game update keeps pausing, if a download never finishes properly, or if Steam seems to be having trouble connecting to its download system. After that, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm the action. Go ahead and click Confirm. This confirmation step is important because once the cache is cleared, Steam will close and restart the session. Again, this won't delete your installed games, but it will remove temporary download information and sign you out of your account. Once Steam restarts, you'll need to sign in again to continue using the platform. After logging back in, you can try your download or update one more time and see if the issue has been resolved. In many cases, this simple reset is enough to get Steam working normally again. As a quick tip, if clearing the download cache doesn't fully solve the problem, you may also want to check your internet connection, make sure Steam is fully updated, or restart your computer before trying again. But for many common download-related errors, this is one of the fastest and safest fixes available, and that's all it takes to clear the Steam download cache.